Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install APK files on your iPhone or iPad using MyAndroid. If you've ever wanted to access Android apps on iOS without using a computer, then this tutorial is for you. We'll go through the entire process step by step, from opening MyAndroid, importing the APK file, setting up the installation, and finally, launching the app on your device. The process is simple, beginner-friendly, and only takes a few minutes to complete. So make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, open the MyAndroid application on your iPhone or iPad. Once you're on the main screen, make sure you have a stable internet connection before proceeding. From the dashboard, locate and tap the APK installation section. This is where you'll be able to import and manage Android application packages. Next, tap the option to browse files. The Files application will open automatically. Navigate to the folder where your APK file is stored. Once you've found the APK you want to install, tap on it to import it into MyAndroid. The application will begin analyzing and preparing the file for installation. Wait a few seconds while the import process completes. After the APK file has been imported successfully, you'll see the application details displayed on screen. Review the information and make sure you've selected the correct file. Now tap the Install button. MyAndroid will begin processing the APK and preparing it for use on your device. Depending on the size of the application, this process may take a few moments. Once the installation process is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Tap Open to launch the application immediately. If requested, allow any permissions necessary for the application to function properly. After a few seconds, the app should load successfully and be ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully installed an APK file using MyAndroid on your iPhone or iPad. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.